Laws of exponents. Negative exponent a raised to negative b equals 1 over a positive b. Dito ay ating lang reciprocal kaya meron siyang 1 ang numerator, then ang kanyang negative na exponent dito nilagay natin sa denominator at siya ay naging positive. Kaya 1 over a raised to positive b. Example, x raised to negative 2. Itong ilalim ng x raised to negative 2, meron siyang 1 sa denominator. So, reciprocal natin, 1 over, then yung negative 2 ay magiging positive 2 na siya. So, ito ay x squared. So, ito ang final answer, 1 over x squared. 4 raised to negative 2 equals, so 1 over 4 raised to squared. So, positive na siya. So, ngayon, ating simplify. 4 raised to second power. So, dalawang beses multiply, that is 1 over 16. Ito ang